Today, Hubble and Crystal go to Clearwater Bay Country Park to understand the importance of protecting country parks and conserving biodiversity.
Here we are, Clearwater Bay Country Park. Hubble, sir, why are we here at the country park today? It's the holiday. There's nothing here but trees and animals.
But can you name these animals and plants? Do you know their importance in conserving biodiversity?
Name them. It's tree 1 and tree 2 and bird 1 and bird 2. Biodiversity, never heard of that.
Biodiversity refers to the degree of variations of life. Many people like you, but a lack of the awareness of biodiversity and their importance in country park. Have you heard of the expansion of the Southeast New Territories landfill?
Oh yeah, in 2010, the planning department wanted to extend 5 hectares of land in the Clearwater Bay Country Park area. But I don't know why everybody is so against the idea. We need more space for our garbage, and there's the perfect open space.
Country parks are very important to our city. First of all, they maintain a good biodiversity. They recognize the ecological and cultural importance of maintaining feng shui woods. The fresh water they provided minimize our need for imported fresh water, and also they protect insects for pollinating our crops. So these all enhance our quality of life.
It's really important for us to be in touch with Mother Nature. I can really feel it now. Although the plants are boring and there's not much to see.
But do you know what these plants and animal species are?
No. I see a crow over there.
Actually, there are many species in this park. Here are some of them.
Yeah, I really learned about a lot of different species here, and it's really relaxing here.
Do you now treasure our country park?
Yes, of course. I really enjoy the fresh air, and I'm gonna invite my families and friends over during the weekend. Speaking of which, who manages the country parks here?
I heard you mentioned about who managed the park. The Country Park Ordinance provides a legal framework for the destination development and the conservation of the country parks and other special areas. AFCD manage the country parks and also responsible for the tree plantation, plantation enhancement, and conservation education, etc.
So you mean AFCD takes care of the country parks and helps with conservation work?
Yes, you're exactly right.
Are there any other laws or policies that protect our country parks and biodiversity here?
Yeah, sure. There's a nature conservation policy. It is to regulate, protect, and manage the natural resources that are important for the conservation of biodiversity in Hong Kong, and in a sustainable manner, taking considerations of the economic and social aspect.
I know that Hong Kong has 40% of the land designated as country parks and protected areas for our rich, diverse fauna and flora.
Wow, I'm impressed by your knowledge.
Is it true that it's against the law to damage the plants? Will I go to jail?
Yes, under the Forest and Countryside Ordinance, damaging plant in any forest or plantation on government land is prohibited. In addition, some rare and attractive species are specifically listed in the forestry regulations to control the sale and possession of listed species.
Wow, they do protect the biodiversity quite seriously. Good thing I didn't pick that flower on the way up.